Picture a world shrouded in mystery, where ancient civilizations whisper tales of glory and grandeur through their forgotten ruins. This world, teeming with enigma, has always been a source of deep fascination. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, waiting to be solved, and every piece we find brings us closer to understanding the grand tapestry of human history. In this intricate puzzle, one piece stands out: Angkor Wat. Nestled in the heart of Cambodia, it's a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of a civilization long gone. This sprawling temple complex, with its intricate bas-reliefs and towering spires, whispers tales of a glorious past, of kings and deities, of power and devotion. Its historical and cultural significance is immense, painting a vivid picture of a time when the Khmer Empire was at its zenith. But how did this majestic temple complex, lost in the jungles of Cambodia, make its way back into the annals of human history? The journey is as intriguing as the destination. In the 19th century, Angkor Wat was more a legend than a reality, its existence known only through ancient texts and local folklore. Yet, the insatiable curiosity of Western explorers led them to the dense jungles of Cambodia, where they stumbled upon the lost city of Angkor. This was not an everyday archaeological find. It was a monumental revelation that shook the world. For the first time, the West had tangible proof of an advanced civilization that had thrived in Southeast Asia centuries ago. Angkor Wat, with its intricate carvings and colossal structures, was a testament to the architectural prowess and artistic sensibility of the Khmer Empire. The explorers were not just entranced by the grandeur of the temple complex, but also intrigued by the stories it held. The stone reliefs adorning the walls of Angkor Wat were not mere decorations. They were historical narratives etched in stone. Every corner, every carving, every monument held a story waiting to be explored. The impact of these findings was profound. It sparked a renewed interest in the history of Cambodia and its people, and inspired countless explorations and studies of the site. Angkor Wat became a symbol of the rich and vibrant past of Southeast Asia, a past that had been largely overlooked by the Western world until then. The rediscovery of Angkor Wat was a milestone in human history, but it was just the beginning of a much longer journey. This journey would entail not just the exploration of the temple complex, but also the preservation of this significant piece of human heritage. The rediscovery of Angkor Wat led to a pressing question: how could this precious piece of history be preserved for future generations? The answer lay in a series of extensive restoration efforts, each presenting unique challenges and requiring innovative techniques. The process wasn't easy. The temple complex had been hidden by the jungle for centuries, and its intricate carvings and structures were in various states of disrepair. In the early years, explorers and archaeologists focused on removing the encroaching vegetation and documenting the site. The French School of the Far East, for instance, undertook a significant role in this phase, painstakingly clearing the site and beginning the initial restorations. As technology advanced, so did the techniques used in restoration. Laser scanning and 3D modeling became crucial tools in assessing damage and planning restorations. The use of these technologies helped to ensure that the original architectural integrity of Angkor Wat was maintained. The restoration efforts were a truly international endeavor. Countries from around the world, including India, Japan, and the United States, contributed their expertise and resources. Organizations like UNESCO, who designated Angkor Wat a World Heritage Site in 1982, also played a vital role in coordinating these efforts and providing much-needed funding. The restoration of Angkor Wat was a Herculean task, and it took the collective efforts of the global community to bring it to fruition. Today, Angkor Wat stands not just as a testament to the grandeur of the Khmer Empire, but also as a symbol of human resilience and perseverance. This breathtaking monument, once hidden and forgotten, has been reclaimed and revived, now gracing the world as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Each stone, each carving, each corridor tells a tale of its own, whispering echoes of a past as glorious as it was complex. As one of the most visited tourist attractions in Cambodia, Angkor Wat is a beacon, drawing in millions from around the globe each year. Every visitor, every photograph, every awe-inspired gasp is a testament to the enduring allure of this ancient wonder. Yet, the importance of continued preservation cannot be overstressed. We must strive to protect, appreciate and learn from such historical sites, ensuring that their tales continue to resonate through time. Angkor Wat, once lost and forgotten, now proudly recounts its tale to millions of visitors each year, a tale that we must strive to keep alive for generations to come.